Meet Jenny. She is a trade show supervisor for her company. She is responsible for all aspects of her company's presence at all trade shows and events. She knows that all events are not built alike and that each event, whether big or small, has its own set of logistical needs, requirements, and challenges. Keeping up with those needs, making sure that her company's sales force, product managers, distribution team, marketing team, and ownership are all equipped with up-to-date materials while ensuring that the right booth components, print media, giveaways, samples, and displays all make it to the right location is a lot of responsibility for one person to efficiently balance. That's why Jenny uses MetroPlus by Metro Exhibits. MetroPlus provides Jenny with a dedicated team of event professionals, ensuring that all her event responsibilities go smoothly. Her company's print media is up to date, components are delivered and returned in a timely manner, and her calendar and inventory are maintained and conflict-free. MetroPlus allows Jenny to spend less time on shipping, mail, and inventory, and more time making her company look good. For more information, visit metroexhibits.com or reach out to your Metro Exhibits account manager. MetroPlus, your virtual team behind the scenes.